Rocket. Slaan we even in die koers. Here we go. 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Larnaca, where the local time is 15 minutes past 11. Temperature is 26 degrees centigrade. For your comfort and mainly for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened till the aircraft has come to complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. For those of you who would like to use your mobile phone, it is now safe to do so. Before leaving the aircraft, make sure you take all your personal belongings, check your seat pocket and overhead locker. If you are traveling to Malta, the transit time here will be approximately 1 hour. During our stay on ground, we are pleased to offer a selection of programs for your entertainment. The system will be switched off before takeoff. As we also will be refueling here in Larnaca, I would like to ask you to please remain seated, do not fasten your seatbelts, and do not operate any electrical equipment, which includes the flash photography. If you are in any doubt, contact a crew member. May I also remind you that the terminal building in Larnaca International Airport is largely smoke-free zone. If you are in transit there are clearly marked sections where smoking is permitted. Should you wish to smoke inside the terminal building, please do smoke only in designated areas. If your flight is terminating here, then you may only smoke after exiting the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and the entire cabin crew team, I would like to thank you for choosing Emirates. I hope that you enjoyed your flight. Look forward to you again soon. Thank you and good morning. Once again,